Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to lock your Simplebooklet to specific web page URLs. Found in the Access Control section, this feature ensures your content is only accessible from approved websites and redirects readers who try to access it from unapproved URLs. This is perfect for exclusive content, embedded promotions, or controlled distribution. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to protect. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Share tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the Access Control section. We're going to want to make sure that we have the Lock to Web Page feature toggled on. As you can see, a secure link pop-up will appear, and from here we can edit this feature. So there's two steps that are involved in this process. The first one is adding the approved URLs. So this is the web page URLs where people access your Simplebooklet. So as you can see here, I just added this one for the tutorial, but you would go ahead and add your own. And then if you ever wanted to delete it, you would just click on this trash can icon. If you ever wanted to add additional ones, you would just click on the plus button here. It will pop up just like that. And then the second step is to set the redirect URL. So this is where people are sent who don't have access from an approved URL. So again, here I just added a filler one, but you would add your own URL into this section here. And then once you're done with that and you've got your URL set up, you're just going to go ahead and toggle on the Enable Secure Link option here. And then as you can see, you get a little confirmation here, just letting you know that it has been enabled. And that's pretty much it. Once you're done with that, your changes will be saved automatically. You can just go ahead and exit out of that. And then if you ever want to edit those URLs or delete them or add them or toggle it off, just make sure you go click on this settings icon here. And then you can go ahead and customize, update, delete, anything that you want. But yeah. So locking your Simplebooklet to specific web pages helps guide readers to the intended source, supporting the awareness stage of the reader's journey. It also strengthens the engagement stage of the reader's journey by keeping interaction controlled and reducing distractions, making it easier for your audience to focus entirely on your content. And that's it. Your Simplebooklet is now locked to your approved web pages. If someone tries to access it from an unapproved URL, they'll be redirected to the page you set. If you found this video helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.